Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. Boom, boom, boom. And I said, what about breakfast activities? She said, I think I'll remember. No, no. Ba, 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 wow, wow. Wah, 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 wah. Yo, what's up? Hey, ABOB, what's up? How are you? God damn. And I said, God damn, that Bible pushing man. Buen día. Cuando envíes las señales, no todos podemos seguir tus transmisiones. ¿Cómo así? After today's news, what do you think about USD for long term? I don't know. Let's have a look at what happened in the market. In the markets. Crypto. So I'm going to open um, my Squawk, my live Squawk. Here we go.
Player refreshed.
So housing, US PPIs. All right, 7:30. So that was. Hello, brother. I'm fine, thank you, mate. How are you? I don't even know what happened today. Let's have a look at the calendar events. Housing, producer price index. Yeah. So I'm looking for longs on the US dollar, of course, after this move. I'm gonna go to the 5 minute chart here, 7 minute chart. So 5 minute chart on the USD, big ass move. Let's have a look at imbalances. I mean,
So just further comments from Fed's Barkin there. CPI data confirms why the Fed needs more confidence to cut. To repeat there, Fed's Barkin. CPI data confirms why the Fed needs more confidence to cut.
so there you go. Did you hear what the guy had to say about that? The Fed needs more confidence before starting to cut rates. Right, so bullish on the USD for today. Regardless of the news, I don't give a fuck. I am bullish for the day in the US dollar. I don't know if we're going to get that big whammy. Um, you know, I'm gonna grab this full ass candle here towards my point of interest. So this is my point of interest, this entire zone. And yeah, this should be a good TP. I don't know why my mouse is fucked up. Like same thing as yesterday. I don't know. Oh, because I have this on. Shit. Uh, yeah. So here's what a good target would look like on this market. Hello, Carl. Updates on US 100? Yeah, I'll get there, mate. First of all, I am going to, this is what I'm looking for on the US dollar. At the open, I'm going to refine this right the fuck here. Right, so here's what I'm looking for on the USD. Pam, 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 boom. So if I'm looking for a bearish pullback on the US dollar, that means I'm looking for a bullish pullback. So yesterday's gold long that I didn't take live on stream, eventually came towards the highs of the day. But yeah, I mean, I didn't take it. I just wanted to show you. And I told you that crypto too, that Bitcoin long was also worked. I didn't take it, but someone asked me about it on the stream, and apparently they made money. So Euro US dollar, looking for a bearish pullback. Yeah, let's refine this. Let's go to the 5 minute chart to refine this. Right, so here's where I'm going to place a long entry right here. Sorry, short, a sales stop um, right here. I'm taking this entire area. So we have an inverted fair value gap here. This entire zone, order block, etc., etc., etc. So here's where I'm going to take, that uh, sell stop, sell limit. I'm sorry. I don't know what the hell's going on with me. I already had 2 cups of coffee. I'm gonna take my challenge account and going to go to the Euro USD 5-minute chart. All right. So here we go. Here's where I'll place my sell limit, just at the beginning of that 5-minute candle. That 5-minute bullish candle right here at the week low of that 5-minute candle is where I'm going to place my sell limit on the Euro USD. Let's see if we can get there, right? Sell limit. There you go. Now here's where I'm gonna, of course, my stop losses are above the highs, daily highs, right here, London highs, daily highs, and I am going to target these lows, this liquidity low right here. Looks like a good place to target for a. Let's have a look. For a 2.2R. Not the best risk to reward ratio, but I dig it.
I'm just seeing an updated call here from Deutsche Bank as they look to the ECB. On balance, they continue to believe that the first rate cut will be in April rather than June, but recent data and commentary is consistent with a more gradual easing cycle than they had thought, as they continue to forecast 150 basis points of cuts in 2024 and a further 50 of cuts for the next year, but now seeing this easing cycle as more likely consisting of quarter-point cuts than anything larger. Uncertainty is high, however, and the parameters of the easing cycle will remain subject to change.
All right. Did you hear that? Did you listen to that? The reason that toolbox. The reason that I shut up is for you to listen to what the man is saying about the rate cuts of the United States. Sell limit, stop loss, that's a 2.2R, guys. Boom. I'm just sending this to my VIP. Boom. 2.2R. Risk is 0.5% as always. Let's see if this copied to my other accounts. You know what? I'm going to send this as a free trade too. Yeah, mate. I'm gonna explain to you that gold move during the news. This news. Hold on. Hold on. Let me just finish this out. Boom shakalaka. All right, so here we go. So what was the question, mate? Gold, yeah. I'm sorry. So gold, all right, so this news, this US dollar news, this move on the US dollar is not because of producer of PPIs. It's because of the market expectations on rate cuts. So if the Fed starts doesn't cut rates or starts to cut rates, I'm sorry, that means inflation is under control, which means that the hedge against inflation, which is gold, is going to or money is going to pour out of the hedge against inflation, which is gold. That's why you saw that dip in gold, not because of the news. I mean, if you really, I mean, this is not, you know, against you, but this is just a piece of advice for everybody. If looking into trading, you know, the financial markets, more so currencies, you need to learn about global macro, right? It's imperative. So let's have a look at fucking, you know, S&P 500 and etc. 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 All right. So S&P 500. What trading session do you think the highs and the lows of the day will form? Um, I don't know. I don't know. I don't understand the question. Hi. Did I fuck up again with my entry? Ah, shy. What? Hold on. Hi, next hello from Czechia. Well, hello to you. Please can show or write your entry, stop loss, and TP one more time for Euro USD and DXY? Sure, mate. Of course, I'll show you here. Of course, this is a full VIP experience. There you go. When the US sneezes, the world gets a call for sure. Oh, there's no doubt about that. All right, hurry the fuck up because I need to look at the S&P 500. Oh, here's my puppy. Here's my fucking puppy. All right. Good, good. Yeah. Hold on. I'm getting a little bit cold here. Hold on. I'll take my hoodie. It's upside down. My hoodie is upside down. Oops. Everybody saw my nipple. All right, so where shall we get some short entries? Today I'm looking at shorts on the S&P 500, right? Huge liquidation of all the daily lows and all of this liquidity. Huge liquidation, huge liquidation. Who am I? Huge. A huge. All right, let's have a look at the 15-minute chart if we can get some order block action here. Nicely, nice. No, I'd rather do that on the S&P 500. Inverted fair value gap here, pretty heavily. Also, nice OB here at the stop. So on the 15-minute chart, I'm gonna take an entry here at the bottom of this box. I'm gonna show you how to spot it. So let's see, 15-minute chart. There you go. Boom, boom. All right. So just look for. I should definitely take a. You know what? I do want to get filled short, so I'm going to aggressively enter this at the bottom of this bearish candle. Should be higher. My entry should be higher, but I do want to get filled. All right. So what? And this risk calculator does not work on CFDs. I don't know why. So I need to be careful because last time I was risking instead of 560 on this account, it was risking 5,600. Can you imagine that? All right. So here, about here, I do want to get filled, and I'm going to target this liquidity low. So that is a 4-hour trade. Good enough. Boom. See? 5,300. So I need to be careful with this. And um, pending order. Pending order, I said. 5.5. There you go. Placing this. Doing that. Now we good. Yes. All right. So that's my trade on the S&P 500. Can you see for gold? Is there a short chance? I'm not trading gold today, mate. I don't look at the markets, then I'm not trading. Yeah. So my VIPs. I'm gonna keep the order up here for you guys. And you know, if you know me, you know I have OCD with round numbers. So sue me. Again? So the market is about to open. Shit, hold on. Oh boy. Shit, I had my caps on. Need to redo that. Orlando's new VIP trade. SPX 500. Sell limit. Stop loss. Where's my stop loss? Oh, the market just opened. Stop loss. There you go. And TP. There you go. And this is going to be a risk of 0.5% again. 0.50. A 0.50. All right, there you go. Let's see how this opened.
So the cash equity open for the week, S&P 500 opening little change, Nasdaq 100 rising 0.1%.
Nasdaq rising little unchanged with the S&P 500. I'm not deleting my pending orders on the S&P 500, Euro USD, for example, liquidity. Unchanged. Right. Do you think US 100 will continue to sell? I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I don't fucking know. My picture frame should be on the bottom left, so you're covering. So you're not covering the chart. Oh shit. Well, okay. That's a good idea. Okay, like this? Like this? Well, there you go. Just ask, and I shall deliver. Very little to no change on the S&P 500. Very little to no change on the DXY. I don't know. So very boring open cash equity open. I'm long on the CAD yen, but I can work. ¿Qué pasó? But you don't know where to put your TP because it's at all-time highs. Well, yeah, that's a little. I mean, that's an issue, mate. I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, I don't know. I can't help you out there, mate. Okay, let's have a look at some other markets. Right on sketchy USD CAD. Pound yen, just closed my entire position here for an extra 0.4 R or so. That was a great trade. Gold, US oil. Oh, I don't trade crude oil myself, but I do like to watch that chart. Look at silver. Silver just exploding. Boom. So, mates, good afternoon, William. How are you, mate? So nothing to do here but just watch. All right. Just watch and wait. That's my zone. That's a good question. The fourth wall. If it is at all-time highs, what do you go long? Because he had a setup to go long, I imagine. Okay, so this is going to be a very short-lived, um, you know, live show or session or whatever. I'm not gonna wait here if you don't have a question for me. But I'm gonna go big. I'm gonna talk directly to you. What's the difference between S&P 500 and SP 500? Just a different CFD, but the underlying asset is always the S&P 500. For example, let me show you this. Here on this broker that I trade, this challenge account, the S&P 500's CFD is the SPX 500, but on some other brokers, you might get the US 500. Right here, US 500. For example, on Pepperstone, you get the US 500. Hey, bamboo, puta. On IC markets, you get the US 500. It's the same underlying asset, or you're trading the same, market. It's just a different instrument. What's your idea on EU? I have a sell limit on you right here. Bambú por la puta. I'm sorry. I mean, I live on a loft, so there's no way for me to hide from my dogs. All right. Buenos días. Yeah, so this is my idea on the Euro USD, mate. Looking for shorts on a US dollar pullback towards my point of interest right here. That is my idea. All right, so I'm going to stick around. If you have any questions, ask away. If you don't, well, I'm going to. Hello, sir. Do you scalp or take swing trades? I am a day trader. I don't scalp. Real swing traders would think about my entry model as scalping, but it's day trading, mate. So it's pretty easy, mate. I'm gonna go big. I'm gonna explain to you what the hell is going on. You're welcome, Enzo. So here I am, very big. Whilst you see, I shaved yesterday. So the thing is this, right? I know that for some of you, hold on, it's about to fall. Fuck it. I know that for some of you, paying $40 per month, 40 pounds per month, is a no-go for signals. You're always looking for the free stuff, which is fine. To each his own, right? But we have partnered with two brokers, with AvaTrade and with ACAP. So you get access for free to, and get a lifetime access to all my VIP channels. How it works is very simple. By us partnering with this broker, with these brokers, If you use our link to open an account with them, that tags us as referrals, right? So that means that they know we are referring you to them. So if you deposit the minimum and trade that account with them, and you trade your money with them, you generate fees for them, which gives us a referral fee when you're active. That referral fee pays for your lifetime subscription, right? It's that simple. There's no sketchy shit behind it. I'm not trying to steal your money. I'm just working to give you an opportunity to get access for free to my fucking signals. That's it, right? There's no story behind it other than to make it available for everybody. That's it. Thank you, the fourth wall. And I said, God damn. I watched Pulp Fiction yesterday, mate. Boom, boom. Okay, my May. And I said, God damn. All right. Yeah, there's nothing going on here in the markets. My allergies are kicking in. But if you have a question, basement scene always gets me for sure, man. It's a very 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 nice redemption scene in my opinion. Do I trade Swiss franc? Fuck no. I only trade the US dollar and the Japanese yen, mate. That's all I trade. And most definitely will be trading, when trading the US dollar, I'll look into the Euro USD, look into the pound US dollar, which I didn't do today, but it looks like we got a better entry, but I'm still going to go with my Euro USD. When I trade the Japanese yen, I only look at the Euro yen and the pound yen. That's it. Those are the four markets that I trade. 90% of my trades are related to. Actually, not 90 because I very actively trade gold too. So those five markets, they should all be here. Actually, they're going to be here. So, and the S&P 500, of course. So when you see here liquidity on the top right of my screen, this is my liquidity entry model. On the F1 is my F1 entry model that I'm going to start actively showing you next week. And all right, so day trading wise, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no, not the US 30, 6 markets that I trade. Would you consider share your Japanese yen with the VIP? I share all my trades with the VIPs, mate. All. You always get my pound yen trades. I tried to learn ICT, but problem they give me short and long setup is the same time. Yeah, I understand what you're saying. It took me, I mean, to perfect this entry model took me a while, right? Yeah, the first thing that you need to understand is how to get, your daily bias. And yeah, I'm not going to explain to you right now how to get, I mean, you should work on it because for me at least, it has been, highly profitable. I only trade this entry model. And it's not that I trade ICT, right? Most definitely, my entry model is based on ICT concepts, right? I didn't invent the fucking wheel. This is based on ICT concepts. And what else I was saying? Yeah, I mean, but there's a ton of stuff that goes into it that you need to understand, and of course that I'm not going to get involved in explaining you that right now. But yeah, if you can, have a look at it. Oh man, it sounds well. I'm sorry, but English is my second language. Don't worry. If I will open an account at ACAP, I will get the signal on Telegram. I just thought about opening the VPIP section of your perfect last 2 weeks if available for crypto. Yes, also, but you need to yes to everything, but you need to use my link. I'm gonna give you my ACAP. ACAP you asked for? Yeah, I'm gonna give you my ACAP link. There you go. You need to use this link to open the account. Open the account, fund your account, get get your get your uh, get your details to my support team, and they will. Um, Sorry about this. This is a pajama. I'm wearing my pajamas, man. I'm a degenerate pajama trader. Yeah. Is the dog okay, bro? Yeah. I mean, she's. Thank you. Um, yeah, my dog is fine. Yeah. I mean, yeah, she's kind of crying because my other dog. I mean, they're free to go anywhere. I mean, I live in a gated community, but my house doesn't have walls. So in the morning, I open all the doors downstairs, right? And I mean, my dogs are free to go roam wherever the fuck they want, you know. So sometimes my other dog, the older one, she goes missing for hours, right? And she comes back. She has friends all around the neighborhood, etc. But they're free to go everywhere. But my little dog, she's not she's 2 months old, and yeah, she's still scared to roam around. She goes to the neighbor's yards, etc. But she's afraid to roam around like my older dog. And when my older dog goes missing, she cries because she misses her. That's everything you're hearing. Is there a relation between F1 strategy and your ICT concept strategy? No, not at all. Uh, my um, my F1 strategy, this is the F1 strategy, right? My F1 strategy is a breakout strategy that works on a trending market, right? Um, Markets haven't been trending too much this past couple of days. That's why I haven't traded it. But here's an example. Here's a trending market. This is the S&P 500. So yesterday's S&P 500 would have yield uh, uh, around what? 2R or so? Yeah, 2R to target. So this is the F1 strategy. I'm gonna start showing you the strategy. I mean, I did invent this. This is my invention. This took me a ton of time to perfect, but no, it's not related. The VIP swing group has been a bit quiet the past 2 weeks. There's no trades made. There's no trades. Yeah, and I'm not gonna push trades on a group, just because you want to trade, right? I just don't have a swing setup. I'm not gonna fucking trade it. I'm not gonna fucking swing trade just because you want signals. I'm not saying this against you at all. I'm just explaining to you bluntly why. Telegram links will be sent by support. Yeah. All right, so nothing to do here other than wait for us to get triggered. Very quiet trading day. I don't know if I'm going to get filled or not, but if you are VIP, I will get you. I will let you know. Right? If you are a VIP, I will let you fucking know. Okay, so thank you for joining me, guys. Have a great weekend. Don't push it. We're profitable this week, so don't start giving your money back to the market, right? Yeah, that's right, Pedro. Yeah, don't start giving your money back to the markets, and Have a great weekend. And yeah, what else can I say? Have fun. Don't look at your charts during the weekend. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Cheers.